Okay, what I have is about 2 pounds of Blackbuck Antelope and Axis meat here. I've got the fajita seasoning here, and I'll put the recipe right over here, one of the two. I've got a green bell pepper, a yellow bell pepper, and a red bell pepper sliced up, 1 onion sliced up, and some cilantro. So let's put so we're gonna put all this together, and we're gonna make some fajitas on the Blackstone. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a 1 gallon bag and we're going to put all of our meat in there. I'm telling you, this is going to be some tasty fajitas right here. If you've never had Blackbuck or Axis deer, that's some fine eating right there. So we're going to put all of this in here. Let me set this here and I will get this over here. Now I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of the rub. And we're going to put it in here. We're just going to put it in here on top of the meat. This is a really good rub. Like I say, the recipe will be up for it. Now I'm going to take about 1/4 cup of cilantro and put in there, chopped up cilantro. Get every little bit in here. Now I'm going to take 1 1/2 limes and squeeze them in there, or about 3 tablespoons of lime juice if you're not using fresh limes. Just squeeze them in there real good. All right. Now we got that in there. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to get as much air out of this as I can, and I'm going to seal it up like that. Now we're just going to mix all of this up. Just going to take our time, get it all mixed up, get it, that seasoning and everything all over the meat, along with the cilantro and the lime, and put it all in there. Like I say, you want to try this seasoning mix. It's really good. Now you can cut back some on the cayenne or leave it out altogether if you want. I like a little spark to mine, or a little bit of heat. So we're going to mix all this up really, really good. All right, now we got it mixed up pretty good. Now this is going to go in the refrigerator for an hour. We're going to let it marinate for an hour. Once it gets through marinating, I'll be right back. Okay, our Blackbuck Antelope and our Axis deer had been marinated about an hour. Let's go get them on. All right, we've already got some olive oil on here. There we go. That's what I like to hear, that sizzle. That's how you know it's right. Get this meat on here. This meat's going to take about 8 minutes per side, and we'll be ready. Let's go ahead and get all of our vegetables on here. Get them going. All right. Now these ought to be good. Man, look at those vegetables. Well, this Blackstone is absolutely fantastic for stuff like this. And cooking breakfast in the morning, oh, you can't beat it. Out here, all the animals back behind me here, they got to join in. They can smell this stuff cooking. Kind of chilly out. You can see the snow out here on the ground. So we had to shovel out around here so I could get to the Blackstone. My nephew did that for me. Yeah, and these are looking good. And we did put a little bit of the seasoning that we used on our Blackbuck and our Axis deer. We used it on the same seasoning. We just put a little bit of olive oil and put a little bit of the seasoning on there just to season them up too. I'll go ahead and flip these over. Oh, yeah. Now we talking. right along. Anyway, we'll get these all done up. We'll be right back with you.
Around.
Yeah, we're gonna add us some jalapenos to this. Never know whenever you might need one. Just gonna keep these going here. Just keep them stirring. These things smell good. I have to grab me another grill. I think our vegetables done. Yeah, horse, you smell these vegetables, can't you? Okay, my nephew's here. He's going to be my guinea pig or my taste tester on this. Let me leave it at that. So I've got some Blackbuck here. Let me slice it up.
I've got a tortilla.
Oh, you come prepared, huh?
Oh yeah.
Boy, I wish you could smell this. This is amazing. Get this all cut up for him. Okay. Oh. Got a little piece here.
All right.
All right. You want some of the peppers and the...
Yeah, let's get some bell pepper and onion. Oh, those peppers look good.
Oh, they do.
Smell good too.
How much more you want?
That'll work, that's fine.
You want some jalapenos?
Nah, I'll eat that with supper.
All right. Now, if you fall out, I'm not responsible.
Oh yeah, that'll do.
Good. Excuse me, it's good, isn't it? You're not the only one here. I can't believe you didn't put some lime on it. Anyway, I want to thank everyone for watching my videos. I want to thank all my subscribers. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement that protect us and keep us safe every day. And I want to send a special thanks out to all the veterans, all the active military personnel, all the men and women who have served and are serving in our military. You've done so much for our country. Thank you very much.